Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. It's so easy and anyone can do it. You just need these simple ingredients, your base, which is alcohol and vegetable glycerine, or you can use aloe vera gel instead. We'll need essential oils to scent our sanitizer. Today I'll be choosing rose essential oil, but you can choose whatever you like. And you're gonna need bottles, that's it. I usually prefer to use glass bottles, but in this case I'm using reusable plastic ones. I always keep a hand sanitizer on my desk, in my car, and one in my purse. You gotta keep those hands clean. I do want to point out that hand sanitizer is not a substitute for washing hands, and it's important to use at least 60% alcohol in your total formula in order for your hand sanitizer to be effective at killing germs and viruses. Alright you guys, stay clean and safe, and I'll see you in the next one.